Alright, so in this episode I'm going to talk to you about things that we've made. So things that we found outside, things that the kids have made, things that are really fun and that incorporate nature into our art lessons. Instead of buying new things and contributing to waste, we took things to make. So for example, we made some brushes like this using leaves and a bit of string and a stick, and they make really nice patterns with coffee and ink and mark making, and the kids really enjoyed that. Then obviously I spoke about, in a previous video, I spoke about the clay that we sourced from outside on our campus, and this, I just wanted to show an example. These are some of the things that have actually been fired in a kiln, and it's basically like a brick, texture of a brick. So that's clay from outside from our campus. And then this is something that we make regularly, which is glue. So you'll be able to find the recipe in the description, and this works really well. So that's just things that you can find in your kitchen, easy to make, and the kids actually enjoy like cooking, making the glue as well. All right, so this is the glue that we made, and as you can see there, it's got a really nice thick texture, and it works really well. So this is a project that we did where we made our own papyrus paper out of recycled bits of paper, and it's, as you can see, I've glued things here as well, it's really like stuck on there. So this is very strong glue, and it works really well, and it can go right back into the compost heap. Another glue recipe, you can use the same glue to make these paper maché sculptures or bowls, and that's also something that's using things and making something of materials that already exist. We have also ground up things like rocks and plants to make little bits of soil, and then mixing it with oil or water actually makes really nice earthy paint. Even berries, if you have berries in your garden. So we find soil from outside, and we have these nice pestle and mortars, and then we grind it up like that. And you can add a little bit of water. And then you can use it as paint. Oil also works. Actually, oil works better than water, but something to keep in mind is that what we've also told the children is that the great artists, you know, back in the olden days, they used to actually use natural pigments from the earth in their paint. People like Leonardo da Vinci with his great paintings on the ceilings and all that stuff. So these are actually, we're actually going back to the old masters' ways.